Hey guys, welcome to In the Garden. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to properly harden off your plants to get them ready for transplanting into your garden. Hardening off is the process of getting your plants transitioned to outdoors. They get used to the temperature, to direct sunlight, and to the wind so that they aren't shocked by it so much when you put them outside. If you watched my previous video on starting seeds, you learned a tip on getting a head start on hardening off your plants while they're still inside. If you didn't see that, make sure you go back and watch that video so you can learn that tip too. To begin hardening your plants, you're going to want to first make sure that they are really well watered. When you start putting them outside, you want to make sure they have enough water that they're not going to get damaged even during the short times that they're going to be outside at first. You're going to begin by taking your plants outside on a day when the weather's really nice, it's not too windy, and the temperature's not really high. Here in the desert, that would mean that you're probably going to have to do it either early in the morning or in the evening time. For the first day, you're going to take your plants outside and place them in a shaded area protected from the wind where they're not going to get direct sunlight. You're only going to leave them outside for about 15 minutes, and then you're going to take them back in where they're used to so they don't get damaged. You're going to do this again the following day, but for a little longer, for as long as 30 minutes, and then again, bring them back inside. You're going to do this each day, putting them outside, but you're going to increase the time each day, and you're also going to increase the harshness of the conditions that they're in. So you're going to gradually start putting them into direct sunlight, you're gradually going to start exposing them to wind. After several days or about a week, your plants should be getting left outside for at least an hour and should be in full sunlight and getting at least some wind. During the whole process of hardening off, from the first day until the last day, you're going to want to keep an eye on your plants really close to make sure that they're staying watered and that they're not getting damaged. Even a little wind for a new seedling that's left outside can snap the stem over and it could ruin your plant. After about a week, your plants will be ready to be transitioned to outdoors. You can take them out and transplant them into your garden, and they're going to be a lot less susceptible to transplant shock and will be able to thrive a lot more quickly in your garden. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video or got something from it, make sure you hit the like button, and if you want to get more content like this, be sure that you subscribe so you can get all our latest videos. Thanks. Have a good one.